Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. XRP price prediction. Bulls versus bears. Last trade of the year, XRP price is down 16% on the month. Ripple witnessed a significant uptick in accumulation by high-cap investors. A flip and hurdle of the 35-cent zone is needed to invalidate the bearish scenario. XRP price shows bears in control of the trend. Still, high-cap investors seem almost certain of a counter-trend spike in the coming weeks. This thesis remains neutral but identifies how to engage in a bearish and bullish scenario. XRP price unaligned with investor sentiment. XRP price is subdued as the bears have revolted against the bullish counter-trend rally established earlier in the month. On December 22, the digital remittance token was at a 16% loss of market value on the month. Ripple now stands 3% above a vital area of support. A second attempt at the weekly low of $0.332 could catalyze a more substantial decline. XRP price currently auctions at 34 cents. Despite the drawdown, high-cap investors seem persistently engaged with the digital remittance token and may even consider the declining price as a discounted offer. FX Street's crypto analyst John Isai was the first to report a significant uptick in the accumulation of XRP tokens by investors with 1 million to 10 million XRP. According to the analysis, 1617 addresses have purchased 7.23% of Ripple's entire network supply, the largest XRP tokens ever held by the group of whale investors. Still, the technicals have yet to align with the whale's intention as the smaller time frames seem suppressed by a bearish stronghold near the 35 cents barrier. The XRP price will need to hurdle and consolidate above the aforementioned level to begin aiming for higher target zones. The broken support level at 44 cents has yet to be retested after being pierced during the first week of November. A retest at the barrier would result in a 30% rise from Ripple's current market value. On the contrary, the earliest evidence that the high-cap investors are on the wrong side of the trade would be a breach below this week's low at $0.332. The bearish target zone would be the 2022 low at $0.287. The XRP price will decline by a minimum of 15% if the bears are successful. Bad news for Ripple. XRP is a security according to the SEC? The SEC recently slammed FTX and stated that its token FTT was a security. This comes as a major threat for Ripple, as its main issue regarding its lawsuit is just about that. Is XRP a security? Are cryptos considered securities? What are the regulations around this specific topic? Let's analyze. What are cryptocurrencies exactly? Cryptocurrencies, also known as digital or virtual currencies, are a form of decentralized, digital currency that uses cryptography for secure financial transactions. They are often created and managed using blockchain technology, which is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records transactions on multiple computers. The SEC in cryptos. What's the problem? There has been much debate over whether cryptocurrencies should be classified as securities, which are financial instruments that represent an ownership stake in a company or a debt owed by a company. In the United States, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has the authority to regulate the sale and trade of securities. The classification of cryptocurrencies as securities is important because it determines the level of regulatory oversight and legal protections that apply to their sale and trade. If cryptocurrencies are classified as securities, they would be subject to the same regulations as traditional securities, such as stocks and bonds. XRP forms short-term yet important pattern you don't want to miss. Crypto Market Review, December 22. Financial markets are entering pre-Christmas mode with volatility and trading volume tanking, and assets entering prolonged range bounds until the holidays are over. Unfortunately, for a market that has gone through an awful year, a lack of inflows could be fatal. Here are how some cryptocurrencies are getting ready for cold market days. XRP's technical strength. A few weeks of anemic performance have finally brought us something, as XRP formed an important chart pattern that could lead us to a volatility squeeze and turn into a foundation for a recovery rally. The symmetrical triangle we can see on any hourly chart of XRP is not uncommon and often occurs after volatile and strong moves of assets. In the case of XRP, We saw a strong downward impulse on December 16, when the price of the asset tumbled to 35 cents in no time, causing a small cascade of liquidations. In case of a successful execution of the pattern and an upward breakout, we will see a volatility spike and a potential return to pre-dump levels at 37 cents. Unfortunately, it is not yet clear where XRP or any other assets on the market right now will find the buying power they catastrophically need. Shiba Inu goes through selling spree. It is no secret that some investors tend to take profits from their existing positions or gain a little bit more liquidity ahead of Christmas. According to the general market composition, the majority of digital assets lost a portion of their value yesterday. The reason behind the short-term plunge could be tied to the increased selling pressure we witnessed on the markets yesterday. As You Today has covered, Shiba Inu saw an enormous 72.46 billion SHIB sale spike as one of the biggest whales on the network decided to close some of his positions. Such a large one-time injection of tokens on the market caused, as expected, a small price drop, considering the lack of liquidity Shiba had. Unfortunately, almost no growth factors for Shiba Inu exist on the market right now, as the token has almost no support from its previous holders. Demand for risk on the market is still at a low level and the burning mechanism does not seem to have any noteworthy effect on the asset that would cause any noticeable effect on the market. XRP faces pressure as the SEC targets the Hinman documents. It was a busy Thursday session for XRP, with filings in the SEC versus Ripple case seeing the Hinman speech-related docs becoming a hot topic again. On Thursday, XRP rose by 1.34% to end the day at $0.3493. SEC versus Ripple updates and U.S. economic indicators delivered a choppy Thursday session. The technical indicators remain bearish, with XRP sitting below the 50-day EMA, supporting a near-term decline to 30 cents. On Thursday, XRP rose by 1.34%. Reversing a 1.12% loss from Wednesday, XRP ended the day at $0.34930. XRP ended the day at sub-35 cents for the fifth consecutive day. After a choppy morning, XRP fell to a late afternoon low of $0.34137. Steering clear of the first major support level, S1, at $0.3379, XRP rallied to a late high of $0.35000. Coming up against the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3508, XRP eased back to end the day at $0.34930. Crypto news fails to distract investors from the U.S. economic calendar. It was a busy Thursday session, with investors tracking updates from the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case. As per the court calendar, the SEC and the defendants filed motions to seal certain documents in connection with the motions for summary judgment. The defendants sought to seal non-public documents, including internal financial reports, forecasts, and audited financial statements. However, the SEC sought to seal across three categories of information, including, another ruling against the SEC could force the SEC to seek a settlement. In 2018, the former SEC director of the Division of Corporation Finance William Hinman said that Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, are not securities. For XRP, rulings on the filings and the summary judgment reply briefs will be the key. With activity picking up, uncertainty toward the outcome of the SEC versus Ripple case will likely peg XRP back from a sustainable breakout. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.